fix the Boo Cruiser, Gur. I want to run a few tests on your artificial intelligence chip. It seems to be bad.
Good morning, Missy Jojo. Are we ready to do your taste test this morning? Every morning, Missy Jojo gets special treats. Come here. In her special bowl. You can see there's certain ones left over from yesterday that she just plain didn't like.
Oh, what is that? That smells like a dead cat covered in old shrimp.
She gets Whisker Lickin's Tender Moment.
Well, 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 look what the cat dragged in.
And then a Pounce Caribbean Catch Moist variety. And she gets a Crunch and Clean Dental Shield from Hearts. Those back there are spares. And then she gets a Whiskas Temptations Dental Bite. And there's a certain one that every morning when I put it in her bowl, she will not eat. And in this case, there was one touching the other one that she normally eats, so she wouldn't eat that one either.
Operation Scatter.
What's in there, baby? You want a treat?
There is no charge for awesomeness or attractiveness.
She's not going to talk.
Great suffering cat.
I don't know if I can film and open treat bags at the same time. You want a treat? Okay. There's the Whiskas.
It appears that once again we find ourselves threatened by the great cat menace.
Here's the Pounce. This is one I can't ever get open, and it's consequently the one she doesn't like.
Let's shave the cat!
That's the Crunch and Clean. And there's the dental care. Now you watch which ones she likes and which ones she leaves behind. It cracks me up.
For some reason, I continue to opt for honesty, despite mounting evidence that it's inexorably transforming me into an old woman alone in a one-room apartment filled with 30-year-old newspapers and cats.
Eat the other ones.
This is not a test.
Nope, that's it. I don't know what it is about those, but Hearts, she doesn't like your Crunch and Clean Dental Shield with the patented ingredient. Maybe it's the patented ingredient that Missy Jojo doesn't like. She leaves them in the bowl every time. Don't you, princess? You don't have anything to say? No? Okay. Bye.
Oh, come on. Everybody loves lolcats. They're cute and they can't spell because they're cats.
1310, situation red. All units, situation 1310, condition red, evacuation, operation scatter. All officers have full authority to deal with local problems.